Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best kitchen gadgets on the market. Today, we're talking about the Cuisinart ICT-60 double induction cooktop, which, without a doubt, is one of the best induction cooktops you can find. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone who just loves the convenience of efficient cooking, this model brings a lot to the table, quite literally. Let's start with what makes this cooktop stand out. The Cuisinart ICT-60 is a double-burner induction cooktop, perfect for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. It uses induction technology, which means it heats up super fast and delivers consistent, even heat. This technology doesn't just save you time, it's also incredibly energy efficient. Compared to traditional stovetops, induction cooking uses up to 70% less energy. And the heat is only generated where it's needed, which reduces waste and makes cooking a more eco-friendly experience. The design of this cooktop is sleek and compact, with dimensions of 14.25 inches in height, 23.5 inches in width, and just 2.5 inches in depth, making it easy to fit on your countertop without taking up too much space. The black glass surface adds a modern touch to your kitchen, and the intuitive controls make it easy to operate. Speaking of controls, this cooktop gives you complete flexibility with its heat settings. The left burner has 8 heat settings, while the right burner comes with 5 heat settings, giving you the ability to adjust the temperature to suit whatever dish you're preparing. Each burner also features its own timer, so you can set up to 150 minutes of cooking time for each burner independently. This is a game changer for multitasking in the kitchen, especially when you're preparing multiple dishes at once. One of the most convenient features of the Cuisinart ICT-60 is its safety function. If you happen to lift your pan off the burner, the heat automatically shuts off within 30 seconds. This feature adds an extra layer of safety, making sure you won't accidentally leave the burner on when you're not using it. Plus, there's no open flame or exhaust, which makes it perfect for small spaces like apartments or kitchens without proper ventilation. Another aspect to consider is the cookware compatibility. This cooktop works exclusively with induction-ready pots and pans, so if you have a set that's already induction compatible, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to invest in some new pots or use an induction disc, but once you have the right cookware, you'll be amazed at how quickly and evenly it cooks your food. If you're concerned about portability, the Cuisinart ICT-60 is lightweight enough to move around. It's ideal for use in RVs, dorm rooms, or even for outdoor cooking when you need a portable solution that still delivers great performance. Now, let's talk about value. While this cooktop may not be the cheapest option out there, you're paying for quality and efficiency. With its dual burners, sleek design, and all the features you need for safe, quick, and efficient cooking, it's definitely worth the investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. In conclusion, the Cuisinart ICT-60 double induction cooktop is truly one of the best options on the market for anyone seeking a reliable, energy-efficient, and user-friendly induction cooktop. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just preparing a quick meal for yourself, this cooktop will help you get the job done faster and more efficiently. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, this is the product to check out. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.